Today we're going to try peanut butter in our Helimix 2.0 because everybody keeps saying it will mix peanut butter, and I tried it the other day. Amazing! Here we go. Start the timer. Here we go. Here I got 14 ounces of water. Nothing else in here. So to it, we're going to add 2 scoops of protein. 1 and 2. And I'm going to add a healthy serving. Well, I don't know if it's healthy. A lot of peanut butter. We're going to add it straight in there just like this, okay? Look, so you don't think I'm lying to you. Peanut butter, protein, 2 scoops of protein, huge glob of peanut butter. Off. Ready? Shake. Look at the time. What was that, 10 seconds? Okay. We'll take the lid off. Before we pour it, we'll take the lid off and I'll show you. I mean, there's some dripping on my hand. There's the lid. Here's the bowl. Only thing in here is graham cracker crumbs. It's honestly, it's amazing. Like there's a little bit of peanut butter. Not for you, it's for me. You can have some later. There's a little bit of peanut butter on my finger. That's it. It's pretty clean. Graham cracker crumbs. You can see those? That's it. They're soft now. A little bit of crunch to them. That's it, guys. Look. This thing's honestly the best shaker cup ever. Like, there's no ball. There's no little spindle that goes up and down. Honestly, it's the best shaker cup I have ever used.